Hello everyone, welcome back to Pickup String channel. If you don't know me, my name is Taekman and thank you for watching this video. I just want to share an easy recipe for you. Overnight oatmeal recipe that you don't really need to cook. This recipe is so easy, it literally takes me like 5 minutes to put all together. Let's get started. The ingredient you need, of course, is the oat. I use half a cup of oat, your liquid. I prefer unsweet almond milk from Trader Joe, and sometimes you can also use it with cow milk or coconut milk, whatever milk for your preference. So it's really can tailor for yourself. The next is we need to add some healthy fat. So chia seed is some of my favorite healthy fat, and it have a great source of fiber as well. The next one is, this can be optional. You can add half teaspoon of hemp seed or raw butter. So it's kind of like, I like hemp seed because it got the nutty flavor and also the creamy texture is giving a good nutty flavor to the oatmeal, so it's not as plain. Next thing is to get your favorite fruit. One of my favorite fruit is some slice of banana, strawberry, or even if you don't have any fresh fruit available, you can always get the frozen blueberry. And luckily I was able to make this video for the recipe with dragon fruit. In the description I do share one of my 12 seasonal fruit that you can find throughout the season. If you're interested, make sure to check it out. And the last but not least, this is also optional, and if you prefer something sweeter, personally I prefer to add some of the manuka honey. It's kinda, I like the flavor of it. If you don't like any honey, you always can add stevia or just skip it all together. The one thing I do want to mention more, my friend was asking me, it doesn't really work. So the trick is first to put your milk, your liquid first at the bottom of the lever, and then you will just putting all this ingredient on top of it. So you do not really want to put banana at the last layer because it will expose to some air more easily. So try to put banana or some fruit in the middle section and then put your chia seed all the way at the top. So the next day you will just literally take it out of the fridge, stir it very well in the mason jar and pour it to a bowl, and then there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. If you would like this recipe, it is in the link in the description down below. Please do check it out if you are interested. If you like this video and you find it useful, definitely give me a thumbs up. I will post more video in the future. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you click on the subscribe button and also notification so you don't really miss out when I post it. Stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.